Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to unboxing the SP Silicon Power 128 GB USB 3.0 flash drive Jewel J80 series. So this is a little gadget, promises speed, durability, style and all packed into sleek waterproof dust proof metal casting. So let's check it out. So the packaging is very simple and but premium. You can see the Jewel J80 USB drive right through the clear plastic. So this is a 128 GB storage capacity, plenty of space for files, photos, videos, and USB 3.0 interface. So metal casting and waterproof, dust proof. So look at the design, the metal finish feels solid and premium, so it is also lightweight and compact. So that's all for our today's video. Thanks for watching.